How do I switch my phone with Assurance Wireless?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of switching your phone with Assurance Wireless. Assurance Wireless is a government program that provides free and low-cost phones to eligible customers. If you have a new phone and you'd like to transfer your Assurance Wireless service to it, this guide will be super helpful.
Is your new phone compatible?
The first step in this process is to confirm that your new phone is compatible with Assurance Wireless. This usually requires an unlocked, volt-capable phone. To verify this, you can reach out to Assurance Wireless Customer Care by dialing 611 from your Assurance Wireless phone or call 1-888-321-5880.
How to transfer your Assurance Wireless service.
Once you've confirmed that your new phone is compatible, here's the step-by-step process. 1. Back up your data. Before you switch phones, make sure to back up any important data such as contacts, messages, or apps from your current phone. 2. Contact Assurance Wireless Customer Care. You'll need to call them directly to transfer your service. Dial 611 from your Assurance Wireless phone or call 1-888-321-5880. 3. Provide necessary details. They will likely ask for details like the make and model of your new phone and your account information. 4. Follow their instructions. Assurance Wireless will then guide you through the rest of the process. This may involve setting up your new phone, installing a new SIM card, or entering specific network settings.
What to do after the switch?
After your service has been transferred, make sure everything is working correctly. Test your calls, texts, and data to confirm they're working. Reinstall any apps that you had on your old phone. Restore your backed up data to your new phone. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully switch your phone with Assurance Wireless. Remember, if you have any questions or run into any issues, Assurance Wireless Customer Care is there to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.